Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy T-Rex here again, and today we are gonna do an unboxing. But before that, I wanna update you what's going on to my car lately. We have installed a new OVD and connected to my cell phone, so you can see what's going on to your engine, whatever engine management. And we have also finished installing the new suspension coilover kit, adjustable coilover. So it's all been installed, and now the next one we're gonna do will be installing a new fender. It came in, but unfortunately it was all in pieces. It was broken into pieces, so I have to message the guy and told him, so we'll be waiting for the new fender, and probably we're gonna be fixing the broken front wing fender on my car, so wait for that. And for now, also, we have been to a BMW International Car Meet recently, about a week ago. I'll be posting a video of that after we do an unboxing right now. Alright, what else are we waiting for? Let's cue the music and let's get unboxing! And to do unboxing, we got Cedric's here coming in with all the goods. Right, here we are, we got lots of stuff. I've just been from work, and he's just been from school, and it's snowing today.
It's so cold.
On February, it's snowing on February. Can you imagine that?
Yeah.
So you need to turn on the lights for this, Cedric's. Right, first unboxing. You want to do unboxing, Cedric's?
No, you can do it.
Okay, alright. We don't know what's in this, but we will see what we got.
I want to unbox the next one.
Yeah. I think you need to get a scissor for these. It's kind of tight. Get a scissor, Cedric.
Okay. Must be
Get a scissor. Alright, let's pause for now. Let's get a scissor. Alright, we get the scissor. We're gonna unbox this first. We start on this. Hopefully we don't damage anything.
Hopefully.
Hopefully. We don't even know what's inside yet. Okay. Oh, it's I think it's a body filler.
Why is that a fat guy?
It's a body filler. Because we're fixing the fender, and I ordered a fiberglass body filler. I ordered two kind of fillers. Fiberglass body filler, that will prevent the filler from coming off due to vibrations because of the car when it's running. Right, here it is.
I wonder why there's a fat guy.
I think that's the logo. Here it is. It's a body filler. It's a big boy body filler. It's a lot. Oh, actually, this is the lightweight one. There should be another one, which is the.
I'm gonna open it.
Which is the. You wanna open this one?
Yeah.
Right, go on. Careful, the scissor. So just gonna open one for us. And we have a. Okay, it's a metal epoxy. Right, so we got metal epoxy. It's a Gorilla metal epoxy, so hopefully this will hold on properly. This one, next one.
And I'm gonna unbox the light.
Alright, so also ordered a respirator from 3M, which will stop me from suffocating, inhaling the paint or whatever chemical that I'm using. It's a good one. That's what it's supposed to look like, but ripped up plastic. Well, it's all in there. I'm gonna put it together sometime and show it to you what it looks like. There we go. We got loads of stuff going on in there. don't want to lose any of it, so we're putting it back.
And
The last one, what do we got, Cedric? Careful with the scissor, I told you.
I just opened the other.
Done with that. There we go. You can unbox it.
What?
Ooh, careful. Show that what's it. Okay, that's the drywall tape. It comes in a big box. And this is a small drywall tape. So we're basically going to use this to reinforce the broken fender so it doesn't like breaking again. We're going to use this to hold it in place. This is for reinforcement, and this is for filling up. Well, this is a lightweight filler. This is after we use the fiberglass body filler. Alright, so now I'm going to show you the video from last car mates, and that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, comment and like, share this video if you guys want me to make any more videos. That's it for now. This is T-Rex saying goodbye, and this is
Cedric Skinner.
Alright, fist bump, Cedric!
Oh.
Go join me. Bilal's gonna join in. Bilal's gonna join in. He didn't even went out this car, bro. He just stayed there. How was his team? Huh?